Good morning to all. Now I am going to talk about the topic is the principles of design. Have you ever wondered what does in the creation of a successful design piece? Here are some visual tools that can help you structure your design composition. What are the principles of design? The principles of designs are the set of rules that designers can follow when creating a composition to create visually pleasing work. The purpose of these rules is to deliver a message in the most organized and functionally way. Here, a list of main design principles: balance, unity, contrast, emphasis, repetition, pattern, rhythm, movement, proportion, variety, and harmony. Once designers understand the uses of the principles, they will understand better how to break these rules. First one is balance. Any element placed on a page carries a visual weight. It can range from form to size, color, and texture. In order to make a design feel stable or have balance, the elements need to have a certain scale. For instance, in a symmetrical design, the elements on the right side have the same visual weight as the elements of the left side. Symmetrical designs are easier to balance but can also come across a boring. Asymmetrical design have different side but equal visual weight. Being able to achieve balance in asymmetry can result in a visually interesting design that has mood. The next principles unity. Unity is the harmony produced by all the elements in a design piece. For instance, using similar colors that match and integrate elements organically makes it appear as if they belong together and are just put on a page. The next one is contrast. Contrast refers to the level of difference between design elements in order to create visual hierarchies. The variations makes a certain element stand out more than others. You can apply contrast by using colors, textures, size, and shapes. Contrast can create a focal point to certain elements that can draw the viewer's eyes. Contrast can also be used to create balance and harmony by making sure its times are distributed nicely on the page. The next one is emphasis. Emphasis is a strategy to get a viewer's attention to a specific design elements. This can be in any form of a button, a website, or an image. The purpose is to create something that will stand out from the rest of the pages. You can use different elements to highlight a specific parts of your design like lines, colors, positive or negative, relationships, or many more. As long as you can create contrast either with elements or color, you will be creating emphasis. The next one is rhythm. Rhythm has more complexity than the previous principles of repetition and pattern. Repetition and patterns are applied to the same elements throughout a design. Rhythm is a visual tempo of the combination of elements when used repeatedly and with variation. It gives the feeling of organized movement. The next one is movement. Movement refers to the path the viewer's eye takes through a composition. In an image, every element can affect how the eyes move. Important elements will lead to secondary elements and so on. Movement in the composition creates interest and dynamism that keeps the viewers engaged. The last one is a variety. Creating visual interest will keep viewers engaged with your design, holding their attention and guiding them through the composition will create a powerful user experience. Variety add something interest to the composition to create contrast and tension. For instance, mixing organic shapes with geometrical shapes adds variety. This concept should reinforce the message you can trying to communicate in your design. Otherwise, it can look pointless. That's it. Thank you.